Tonight, we are having a dinner party, inviting some very close friends over. They've also got a child. We don't, but we've got one in the oven. Ring. A dinner party with these guys a few years ago would have been a very different style of dinner party as it's going to be tonight. Now, becoming an adult, I'm going to cook them pasta. We're going to make a very good pasta. It's going to be very civilized and grown up. First, I've got to get the ingredients. Basil, where are you, Basil? Basil, I need you, Basil. Where's the basil? Found it. $50? That's amazing. Usually, if I invite people over, I'm not cooking. I'm ordering food, easily $100. $49 to feed 4 people, and it's probably going to have leftovers. Hey, this grown-up thing's pretty smart. So I moved out of home probably 10 years ago, 2000. It was my 23rd birthday and I'm 33. So yeah, 10 years ago. And before I left, Mum taught me this one recipe. Her pasta sauce. We are Italian. Io sono italiano, c'ho grande cazzo, tu capisci? I've probably cooked this since I left 10 years ago 4 times. Let's see if I still got it. All right, what am I doing? Pan. Nope. Yep. Now I'm pretty much just improvising this, I think. Yeah, this will be good. We will saute the onions, sear the chicken thighs, and then chuck everything in and let it sit. Let's put some olive oil. That's not olive oil. Sugar, do we have olive oil? Yes, we do. A grande olive oil. Now we chop the onion. Here's a good knife. All right, here we go. Get rid of this. Oh, I haven't washed my hands. Oh, how are we gonna do the pasta? That is what I do the pasta in. So that is what I should do. You know what? I will use this one. No. We've just moved into this house and I've never used this induction thing before. That looks amazing. I don't know what these even mean. I have a bad feeling about this. We may have to order pizza after all. Now, Imogen is pregnant. I can't remember if she can't eat onion or not. I don't know. That's a bit of a deal breaker. She can eat onion. I've just got to wash it really well. Haven't washed that. Oh. I'm gonna put it all in here and wash it at once. Oh man, I hate it when onion gives you teary eyes. Yo, yes, come on, push through the paint. Ow, 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 ow. Oh my goodness, this is really kicking in, this one. Oh man. If you have any tips on how to chop onion without it making cry? Oh my gosh, this hurts so much. Oh my gosh, this really stings. Oh my gosh, this sucks. Oh, I'm like, I don't like this. Oh, it's actually not that bad anymore. Wow. Woo! Okay. Geez, that gives you a bit of a rush. I'm genuine. Tears. Mate, blood, the sweat and the tears went into this dish, but there's no blood. It's gonna be really hard for me to not speak in an Italian accent while I cook this. Mum did say 2 onions, but that looks like too much. All right, let's see how this bad boy goes. Let's now turn this on. I forgot to wash them. Oh. All right, let's put you back in there. Watch this. Now we're doing it. All right. Now they're washed. Oh, that's water. I am not good at this. Here we go again. Chicken thigh. Shit, do I chop it up? I don't think so. Yeah, I chopped the chicken. Of course I chopped the chicken. Oh, dearie me. I hope I don't burn the joint down. Far out. Okay, let's try this again. We can still do this. That's annoying. We're going to be okay. We are going to be okay, ladies and gentlemen. Basil goes in later. Telling her, okay, salt. Cayenne pepper. Now, here's the important part. Oh. Ooh, it's got chicken on it. Whew. Okay, let's wash that knife. Oh. Now, Mum said just chuck in 2 carrots, just to let it simmer. Now we play the waiting game. Oh, Italian herbs and spices. Now we play the waiting game. Okay, dinner is served in 3 hours. Come on, be in the video. Yes, yes. Why?
Because I feel gross. I want to make
You don't look gross.
I do. I don't want to.
You don't.
Are we getting rid of this? Yeah.
Yeah, we're getting rid of it.
No, do not do it.
I'm gonna be in trouble. Oh, have a look at it now. This thing. Oh, it's gonna taste really good. Let's have a little taste. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, hang on, hang on. Hot, hot, hot. Mmm. 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 Might be a little bit too much pepper. Cayenne pepper. Just spoke to Mum, and to bring the spice of the cayenne pepper down, just add more diced tomatoes. You like being in shot, Imogen? Can you just tell me, is it good or bad? You've had a taste.
Too spicy.
Oh.
No, it's good, but it's a bit too spicy, especially for reflux.
It's gonna be a really good pasta.